डीएमके की एलआई है एमएमके, जो कि इंडिया अलायंस की बैठक में भी कल दिल्ली में मौजूद थी। उसके जो प्रेसिडेंट है एमएच जवाहिरुल्लाह, वो हमारे साथ हैं। इंडिया अलायंस की बैठक कल मौजूद थी, इनसे बात करते हैं। सो यू आर द पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया अलायंस मीटिंग यस्टरडे इन दिल्ली, व्हाट हैपेंड देयर?
In Delhi, we had the India Alliance meeting under the chairmanship of the Congress President, Mr. Mallikarjuna Kharge, in which Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, as well as Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Mr. M.K. Stalin, our Honorable Chief Minister from Tamil Nadu, and several other leaders from various parts of the country who are part of the alliance. They were in the meeting, and the consensus that came out of the meeting was that we will do appropriate things at the appropriate time. Let us not be haste, and again,
So not going to form the government as of now.
see, actually, Mr. Modi said 400 ke par, but what has happened is 250 ki niche. So this is a very big damage to the brand Modi.
You also speak Hindi, 250 ke niche, little bit Hindi. So my question to you is again, and I will mix my question in Hindi and English so that our viewers can also understand. Is there any effort on the part of Mr. Stalin, the Tamil Nadu CM, and he met Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, the TDP president? Is there any effort on his part to bring him also in your fold, in India Alliance fold?
See, actually, the consensus which was evolved in yesterday's meeting was that we will wait and see how the NDA is going to fare, how they are cohesive, whether there will be any internal contradiction which will lead to the fall of their government. So we will not act in haste at all. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu has been very close to our former Chief Minister and the DMK President for more than 70 years, Mr. M. Karunanidhi, Kalaignar Karunanidhi, and Mr. Thalapathy M.K. Stalin, the present Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, as well as DMK Chief, has that friendship. And yesterday, casually, they met at the airport. And what we learned from the tweet of our Tamil Nadu Chief Minister was that he congratulated him because Chandrababu Naidu has become the CM of.
Discuss the state issues also. But my question is that, my question.
Let me finish. Andhra Pradesh is our neighboring state, and the relationship of both the states were discussed in the meeting. And also, the Modi government for the 10 long years has been a threat to the rights of the states. So they said that we will work together to ensure that the rights of the states are ensured. My
question is that if in future Mr. Stalin can bring him in India's fold?
That's too early to say anything. And I am not a spokesperson of DMK to answer.
You are ally to DMK.
We are an ally, that is different. But as far as an ally is concerned, whatever decision we had taken in yesterday's meeting, that stands final. Because when before coming to Delhi, when our TNCM was asked this question about formation of government, he said we will discuss that and decide that in India Alliance meeting. Mr. Rahul ji also said the same thing. So whatever decision we had taken yesterday, that stands good. So to say whether we will pick them or pick that or this, that is too premature.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for talking to me. तो हम जब जवाहरुल्लाह साहब से बात कर रहे थे, उन्होंने ये बात क्लियर कही है कि इंडिया अलायंस ने ये तय किया है कि वो अपना कोई क्लेम नहीं करेंगे एज ऑफ नाउ, और ये भी कहा है कि अच्छी दोस्ती है टीडीपी के अध्यक्ष और डीएमके के अध्यक्ष की, मिस्टर स्टालिन की, और आने वाले वक्त में अगर कुछ गतिविधियाँ होती हैं तो उस समय चीज़ें आगे बढ़ेंगी, मगर जल्दीबाजी नहीं की जाएगी। कैमरा सुनील पांडे के साथ अभिषेक उपाध्याय, एपी न्यूज़, Delhi.